title. Engage south central. South central. Yeah, still fighting Sierra. Yeah, south central. South central. South central. Kill them all. 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 Come south. Yo, so far, I'm on the north side of the blob, okay? Yeah, come south, boys. Listen, get ready. We're gonna hit south, pop the fruits OC. We're gonna hit south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit south, baby! Hit south right now. Hit south right now. In the choke, baby. In the choke. Delete that in your back. Delete that in your back. Heals up front, side. Don't let guys side. Oh my god, the fame just popped up. Yo, you just... Wi-Fi, you just hit something crazy, bro. Yo, come east, boys. Look east now. Look east. Yo, fire north side, bro. Yo, come east. We're hit southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast down the road, boys. Southeast down the road right now. Southeast down the road, boys. Down the road. Don't stop. Keep pushing southeast. I'm on the northeast side. I'm raping them right now. I'm raping them back on. Yo, come south now, boys. Come south. Yeah, so side. Tanks on my west. Keep pushing south. Okay, nice. Look western. We're gonna get west in 5. Okay, get ready. 4, 3, 2, 1. South down. Southwest down, boys. Southwest down. Through the trees. Come back east. East.
Let engage you.
Yeah, pull back, okay? Get ready, we're gonna counter the trees in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South the trees, kill over sides now. Q still with some people sides. Right now, southeast, we're good. Southeast, boys, swarm, they have 10 guys. Kill Trapper, that's the shot caller. Trapper's a shot caller, yeah, kill him off. Brawl, you're brawling, you're pushing south. Push south right now, boys. We're gonna push south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop just
west.
Okay, look west. Look northwest. We're gonna engage northwest. Yeah, small group. Yo, keep coming west now. Come west now. Push west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage west now. Through the trees. Kill these fucking Russians, baby. Kill them all west. Kill them all west now. I'm flanking Sierra right now, bro. I'm flanking them from the east side, okay? Yo, come west, boys. I'm hitting Sierra right now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, I was to hit west. Catch back, boys. Hit this west. Don't stop. Top the west. Get inside the back. Yeah, I'm raping Sierra on the west side, baby. Yo, hit this west, okay? Pull back. Heals up front. I'm fighting Sierra on the north block. Heals up front. Rest us, okay? We're gonna counter west in 5, 6, 0, 8, 5. Get ready? Good. Alright, cool. I'm fighting Sierra on the north. Yeah, we're gonna west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage west, boys. Engage west in the choke. West in the choke. Kill them west in the choke. Yo, so far, you push, baby. Yeah, hit them west in the choke. Hit them west in the choke. Kill them all here, boys. Yeah, keep pushing west. Kill everyone says. Keep pushing northwest here. Keep pushing north. Don't kill Surfy. Yeah, Surfy, keep pushing, okay? Surfy, keep pushing. Yeah, come on, sir.
Down ping.
West in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop your northwest, boys. Pop your northwest. They're trying to kite. Don't let them get out. Throw soul sides. Don't let them get out. Throw soul sides. They're trying to mount. Yeah. See, I'm trying to mount. Run. I'm trying to catch him. Yeah. Engage shoulders. Don't let them run. In the choke. Boys. In the choke. Surfy back up. Yeah. Engage west on choke. Heals. They're gonna try on the hill. Heals on the hill. Okay. We're gonna full turn southwest down the hill in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down the hill, south, boys. Down the hill, south. Shallow back up. Yo, Surfy, rotate around. Okay. Yeah. Pull back northeast up hill. Northeast up hill. Heals up front. Don't die. Heals up front. Yo, we need heals up front. Poke everyone's size, okay? I need purple to play with me, man. Yeah, Surfy, rotate around behind him, okay? Yeah, we're gonna get 3, 2, 1. Engage south central. Yeah, I'm still fighting Sierra. Yeah, south central. Kill them all. Oh my god, we just one-shot him. Yeah, Surfy, rotate around, bro. You're still on my side. Yeah, pull back east. Yeah, kill. Yeah,
someone pulled you, kill someone.
Yeah, come on. Yeah, keep pushing south. They're broken.
Yeah, 收半金嘛。
Yeah, pull back on something. Yo, kill everyone sides.
Let engage you.
Yeah, back. Heals on check. Yeah, we're gonna south in 5, 4, 3. So engage south on the hill. Go. Engage south on the hill. Engage south on the hill. Go. Kill everyone choke. Do it everyone choke. Okay, come back. Yo, kill this life guy inside.
Elevate on layer southeast side. Elevate on southeast. Layer southeast side.
Yeah, nice. Wait, come southeast, okay? Yeah. Back up west. Heals. Back west. Play slow. How long?
Cindy on you east side. Cindy on your east side.
Yeah, listen, look south, so far, look south, so far, look south. Yeah, heals. Yeah, I need help on the east side. They're pushing me hard. Yeah, heals.
From the east as well.
Don't let guys side. Yeah, heals them. Yo, listen. POE goes to the south side. We're gonna counter south in 5, 4, 3, 2, counter south, right on the wall. Counter south, right on the wall. Right on the wall south. Okay, come back western. Yeah, so far, come west. Come on,
Be careful your east side.
Yeah, come west. It's fast. Come west. We need Kai.
Yeah,
Come on. Yeah, heals on east.
now.
Okay, go.
I can catch
We're gonna hit northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast down, boys. Northeast down. I just hit them hard.
Let turn you.
Come back side. Heals.
No, it's
Come back south. Spread. 3, 2, 1. Southeast, boys. Just kill. Pull back. Back up. Heals up front. Heals up front. Okay. We're south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter. Hit this comp from me. Drop all your defense. Drop all your Qs. Doubles. Everything. Okay. Keep pushing. Come on, those down.
Oh, let turn. POE go on ping.
Come back over this bridge. Yeah, come back over this bridge. Yeah, I'm fighting the north bridge against POEGO.
East of the sun.
Yeah, pop Renation north us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North down, boys. North down with the bridge. They have nothing. Okay, come back, boys. Come back. Yeah, find POEGO on the north side. That blob. Yeah, heals. Keep rolling. Kill the bridge. Kill the bridge. Heals north us. Don't let senior die. Don't let guys die. Okay. Yeah, we're. Yeah, pop the fruits OC, okay?
All that cloth is to the west side of the bridge.
Alright, nice. So there's some kids behind us. Listen, I need help on the north and found, bro. I'm just fighting here against two.
You don't have a Q, my guy. We're all in the sand. We can't help.
Yeah, listen. Okay. Yeah. If the Q is good for it. Yeah. Come back south this. Here. Yeah, I'm on the south side. You need a flank run. Yeah, you need a flank run. I'm holding the bridge. Right now. I'm not letting them pass. Yeah, they're trying to run mountain through. Don't let them come through. Don't let them just poke. They're trying to push the mountain. I might need help on the east side, actually. I might need help on the southeast side. I might need help on the southeast side. They're pushing through with mounts.
If they're flanking.
Yeah, I need help on the southeast, bro.
Pale tank, stop behind us. Do your job.
Yeah. Oh, okay, nice. Yo, hold my northeast, guy. I'm gonna pull south here. Yo, so pull south. Alright, good, nice. I'm pulling south. Yeah, so pull south. They're pushing across the bridge elevate. Pull back south. Okay, we're north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast side. Other bridge. Northeast side of the bridge. Kill everyone on the bridge. Kill everyone on the bridge. Kill all the bridge. Kill everyone on the bridge. Yeah, kill everyone on the bridge. Keep rolling on the bridge. Don't let them through, okay? Keep rolling on the bridge.
No west side is elevate.
Pull back west. Southwest. Heals. Southwest. Yeah, engage the bridge again, okay? Alright, nice. Engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us on the west. Inside us on the west. LSP, watch out. LSP on the southwest, okay? Watch out. Yo, pull back south. Pull back west. Spread west. Come over west. We're good. LSP, come west.